to walk around for a 2011 E92 M3 6-speed in Alpine White with a premium package, technology package, competition package, enhanced sound, and all recalls have been performed. The engine upgrades are a Supercharger from ESS 625 kit that comes with the Vortec V3 SI trim Supercharger unit, cast aluminum ESS intake manifold with Alpine White high temperature powder coat as an aftermarket. High capacity liquid intercooler system, CNC hard anodized brackets and hardware, high temperature silicone hoses with clamps, ESS oil breather assembly designed for additional boost, 8 larger Bosch Motorsport fuel injectors at the 625 spec, a K&N high flow air filter, and this car comes with the ESS E-Flash ECU Supercharger software and its diagnostic interface, which is an $895 additional cost. Additional engine upgrades, the Alpine White high temperature coated valve cover and ARP fasteners has been redone on this engine to color match the valve intake manifold. There's been additionally RBC WPC treated and reassembled with upgraded ARP hardware and new engine mounts, all new oxygen sensors, all complete, brand new. New NGK laser platinum spark plugs, new valve cover gaskets, new pinion shaft seal, new power steering reservoir, and it has a custom Catless exhaust with Magnaflow Mufflers with the coded out codes so that you don't receive any codes. And in addition, this car has been EURO MDM coded, so no G limiters in the corners. For the upgrade for the drivetrain and brakes, I've got BCr Coilovers with damp adjust, upgraded control arms, ECS Stage 2 rear discs, full suspension bushing refresh, a Mach Schnell EDC emulation module, new adjustable front sway bar links, new BMW ABS dynamic stability pump, ceramic brake pads, rotors, and braided stainless steel brake lines, new steering rack boots, new sway bar bushings, new clutch stop, and new SRF racing brake fluid. Additional exterior upgrades are the BMW Performance Carbon Fiber rear spoiler, the M-Tech rear carbon fiber diffuser, and LCI LED taillights. Additional exterior upgrades are the color-matched white side markers up front, BMW LED turn signals, black chrome side grills, custom OSS headlights, and this vehicle has a complete custom window tint front and back. In addition, it also has carbon fiber eyebrows in the front and carbon fiber mirror covers right and left. Ren line front and rear tow hooks, and true cut paint protection on the side spoilers only. It also has carbon fiber kidney grills from IND in the front, which are brand new, and a carbon fiber front lip spoiler and puddle lights that show BMW. And one of the best features of this car is its stainless steel skid plate and new underfloor coating down the center, new felt. New carbon fiber aero catch hood covers, are also been added to this car. Interior upgrades for this vehicle are the AEM gauges, BMW Performance steering wheel with the red M button, Alcantara upgrades on the pillars, the center console, and the shifter. Recaro CS seats, passenger and driver, with leather sides and Alcantara in centers. Carbon fiber shift knob with Alcantara boot. BMW's Performance carbon fiber handbrake with Alcantara boot. BMW black metal pedals. And interior LED lighting upgrade for both the map and the dome lights. A Carly BMW coder with all software upgrades. An AL Priority laser jammer system with all software upgrades and external speaker. And a Uniden R3 radar detector, again with all software upgrades, and a extra length, extra wide concave rear view mirror. This car additionally has new footwell FRM module and all software upgrades associated with that. New navigation maps are included, and a new upgraded battery is also included. In summary, for this 2011 E92 M3 in Alpine White 6-speed, this thing is supercharged to 540 rear wheel horsepower, 625 flywheel horsepower. It has 20-inch wheels and tires, Recaro CS seats, a lot of carbon fiber accessories, Alcantara interior upgrades, AL Priority laser jammer and Uniden R3 radar detector. There's $26,000 of documented upgrades within the last 2 years or 1,000 miles, and $29,000 of documented upgrades prior to my ownership from 2 years ago. This card shows no codes.